Joining me right now is the CEO of Calamos, John Koudounis. John, it's great to see you.
Great to see you, Maria.
Do you agree that this backdrop is strong, and how has that impacted investor sentiment from your standpoint?
The backdrop is real. It's strong. We've seen this quarter over quarter, and it's hard to fight that. We don't see inflation. This whole recession, we don't see it, at least in the next couple of years.
Yeah.
The U.S. economy is strong.
The Federal Reserve is watching inflation. They've got a target of 2%. Yesterday, we got the PCE index and showed the rate at 1.6%. They cannot get to their 2% inflation rate, which has led people to say, cut interest rates. Do you think the Fed cuts rates?
I don't. Well, I don't think they should.
They are setting the committee, kicking off the two-day meeting today. We've got a two-day Fed meeting today and tomorrow, so we'll learn the guidance tomorrow from the Federal Reserve. But now there's a lot of conversation about lowering rates.
Well, right before the year end, we were talking about how many times they're going to raise rates.
Right.
And I think I told you that I don't think they're going to raise rates. They're going to keep it flat. And I think at the end of the day, they're going to watch and look for the data and continue to look for the data. But I don't think anything happens for this year.
So they're just out of the way.
They're just out of the way. There'll be some noise in between now and the end of the year, but there's out of the way. And they should let it go. They should let it go out of the way. They're going to be accommodative, even though there's going to be a lot of noise in between.
Meanwhile, you've been raising your AUM, assets under management. When you started, $16 billion, now up to $24 billion. Is that right?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How have you done that? What are you seeing in terms of sentiment? Where are people investing today?
Well, our performance, our co-portfolio managers have done a great job. And we've developed a niche that we started over 40 years ago. We've been innovators in the market, and we're great risk managers. And they've done a phenomenal job in putting product out that deals with volatility. And it so happens that in the last year or so, we've had a lot of volatility. So we have some great funds that have performed as we said that they would do. And that's brought in AUM. And in an environment where there's been mostly outflows, we've been able to have inflows. And so I'm really proud of our team.
Congratulations, John. It's great to see you.
Thank you. Great to see you.
Thank you so much for joining us. John Koudounis from Calamos this